Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and in this video I want to talk to you about how you get started in construction, how there's kind of some different ways that you can do it. I want to talk to you about a really simple way that doesn't require taking 5 years of gaining experience and taking a test in order to get a license to run your company. I want to talk to you about a way where we have in Home Love Construction that you can actually start running your own construction company literally within a week is the fastest I've seen someone do it. So let me tell you about the typical way. The typical way that you get started in construction is you have to do what's called apprenticing. You have to go and work for someone who is licensed in the trade that you want to be licensed in. And typically you have to show 5 years of experience in doing that, or you have to have a professional degree. Like let's say you want to become a general contractor, right? You have to either have a 4-year degree in engineering, or you have to be able to show 5 years of experience that you get a general contractor to sign an affidavit and show pay stubs that yes, this guy worked for me for 5 years, and yes, I say that he is validly skilled enough to go and do the thing that he wants to get licensed for. So 5 years is a long time, in my opinion. I mean, I'm a 29-year-old guy. Like if I had to wait 5 years to go and do something, I probably wouldn't do it, to be honest with you. And you see a lot of people not pursuing that because 5 years is just a long time. Like it's like, damn man, I want to get started now. Like I want to do it now. I can help people. I know what I'm doing. And so if that's you, I want to talk to you about another way that you can do it. Another way is you join up with an existing general contractor in a way that allows you to run their own business by using their license. And that is what the Home Love Construction Franchise Program is about. And so I'll tell you all about it, but if you want to jump straight to seeing what the real deal on this is, you can go to homelove.construction/franchise. We'll also put the link in the description to that, but that's the simple URL is homelove.construction/franchise. Has all this information on a webpage for you, and you can see what it's all about and see videos of people who've done it. But the way it works very simply is that you fill out an application to become a franchisee. If you're approved, and we go through all the legal blah, blah, blah. It's very quick. It doesn't take a long time. But if we go through all the paperwork and it looks like a thumbs up and you're someone who we would be happy to work with and you have the experience required to actually do simple construction projects, then we sign an agreement whereby you are a subcontractor of Home Love Construction. You represent our brand. You can sell for us. You can sign a contract on our behalf, or you can actually prepare a contract. We sign it and then we send it to your client. And then our license is applied to whatever you do because the contract is actually through Home Love Construction. It allows you to operate under the protection of our license. You get your own insurance, but you operate under our license and our brand, and we provide you with leads. So we pump leads in for higher dollar value construction projects. I mean, it's supposed to be the ones that don't fit our mainline services, but I had a franchisee walk in the other day and he's like, hey Brad, can you help me quote this $285,000 project? And I was like, what the hell? It's like, how did you wind up with that? Damn, okay, yes. And another guy's got a 150K addition. Like these are pretty serious projects that we're putting in people's laps. And that's what you're looking to get up to, I would imagine, if you're looking to do general contracting work. So this is a great way to get started in it. You don't have to start with the additions. The guy who got the addition of the 285K project, they've been doing construction for 15 years just in other states, and they came to Florida and they don't have the license and they don't want to get in trouble, so they just teamed up with us. Currently we have about 10 people doing this around the Tampa Bay area and south and over towards Orlando. We have one in Sarasota and one in Orlando. And so we try to parse it out by area, so by geographic area. So realize that if you're interested in this and someone else is interested from your area, the spot might not be available forever. So go to homelove.construction/franchise. We do try to be respectful of each person's territory. So again, once that area is gone, it's kind of gone. And the people we're looking for the most right now is more people in Orlando, and we're looking for more people in Pasco County. We only have 2 in Pasco County. It's a big county, and we're also looking for north in Hernando. We get a lot of business from Hernando, and we say no to 99% of it. So it's literally just going back out the door. So if you're in Hernando County and you're looking to get started in construction and you want to do it legit and licensed and with a rocking team who gives you access to our sub bases and the way we price and a sales system and sales training, if you want all of that, if you want to learn how to do that and sell 200K construction projects, this is a great way for you to get started. Go to homelove.construction/franchise, and I'm looking forward to hearing your name from my franchise officer about somebody who we are adding to the team. So again, homelove.construction/franchise. If this video brought you some value, please also hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next vid.